Do you feel the vibes?
Alright. Ready? Ready up, ready up. Yeah, I heard what you said. He might have been weak.
Me ain't afraid of much, but
the right way and go.
That would be a drag.
Yeah, I don't know how it goes. I might have to look it up.
Real men use iron sights. I use heavy artillery.
I don't know why I haven't ever looked. Yeah. Because it makes sense.
Introducing your champion.
Keep it, Tig. Don't give that up. I'm checking Twitter real quick. Nah. Do a late drop. Wow. Go to that water treatment plant. We never go over there. Huh?
Hold on tight. It's time to
Yeah.
drop, shock, and rock.
Nah, a lot of people already jumped on the jump ship and dropped off is what they've done. You got one team maybe left on that jump ship and that's it. Well then we're gonna be the only motherfuckers to jump on it then. Oh really? There's people on it? Uh-huh.
First blood.
First blood. Good thing it's not us.
All I have is a grenade, so I can't help you. I still only have a grenade.
Round one. Beginning ring countdown.
Wouldn't let down range. Popping the chimney. They got me. I'm down.
Up top? Where? I can't see, Tig.
We got to watch each other.
Enemy down. Getting shot at.
I'm getting shot at.
Recharging my shields.
Reloading. Reloading. Enemy. Reloading.
Teammate!
Picked up our
Reloading. Reloading.
Push him,
Enemy
bro.
taken out.
nice choice.
Recharging my shields.
There you go.
Full squad down.
Go pick Tig up.
Go on now, say hello.
Come get some help. I'm gonna go get you. Yeah, we just gotta take you right over there, so. I mean, I think they did, my dude. We ain't got time anyways. Let's just go ahead and go. Come on.
Remaining. Loop closing.
It's on. Ring's moving.
We don't have far to go though. We can make it almost to the market. You want to hit those 3 capsules out there in the field first? Oh, they're fighting behind us, Tig. Let's go get in on it real quick. Come on. Wait.
Care package
Is that behind us or is that to the right over? I think it's to the right
You
over
hear
here.
that? There's a care package coming down.
Right here, right here.
Contact with target. Might be something good this way.
Throwing thermal.
Cargo.
Frag out.
Health drone if you need it.
Incoming fire.
Enemy.
Double time. Tight airstrike.
Oh no, there's another team here. Right behind me.
Full squad down.
Right here, right here. On me, on me. He's behind me too. Oh no, this is not good.
Loading. Enemy down.
Reloading.
There's more.
Top in the chimney.
Just giving my shield.
Repeat on left. Give my shields a recharge. Getting shot at.
There he comes.
Opening fire.
Hold that, bitch.
Grenade out. Reloading.
Enemy spotted. Spotted. Double time.
I knocked him.
Reloading. Enemy down.
Let's go, cause he's gonna pick him up. Yeah. He's picking him up.
Eat lead.
Knocked the other guy again.
Down.
Enemy down.
Knife. Spotted. Double timing it. Frag out.
Got that team?
Reloading. Knock down the whole squad.
Good kill.
Yeah.
Good work, killing.
Reloading. Just giving my shields a recharge.
Give me a sec. Recharge the shield. Target spotted.
Reloading.
There's more in here.
Enemy killed.
Relocate here.
Behind, behind.
Reloading.
Down to top.
One's coming down behind us.
Taking fire. Grenade. Come on in. Old Painless is waiting. Contact with hostile. Off the mic. Spawn. Contact with hostile.
I'm all the way over here, bro.
Need a lead. Firing. I'm down. Need
Getting shot at. Reloading. Reloading. Enemy taken out. Just giving my
Guys
shields
on the
a
roof?
recharge. Reloading. 1 minute till ring close.
Oh my god, there's still people here.
Don't worry, I got a squad mate spanner. Ring's not that far. Seconds until close. Wicked.
Where's your shit at? Where's your tag at, Tig?
Just 10 seconds.
It says recover somebody else's, though.
Taking fire.
Where?
Picked up our teammate's banner.
Attention, delivering care package.
I gotta go, bro. I gotta concentrate. You right.
Round 3, beginning ring countdown.
Looks like it's a fire ring. Pass me that sugar.
No, I'll take one of these. Just sit right here.
1 second.
Making sure. I gotta get my shields back anyways. It sucks I couldn't loot none of that shit.
Now for the right choice. Time to drop, shock, and rock.
Now we gotta go. You gotta run, bro. We can loot up here in the cut. There's only 2 teams left. I got a supply drop, so there's that. Just wait, I'm dropping something right here.
Come and get your birthday contact.
Come here, mister. Don't run off. Get some armor first. And I can heal everybody. Wait just a second. Got 5 seconds I can heal everybody. He's gonna run off and die. I did all that, he's gonna run off and die.
Come on, say
Go ahead,
it.
Tig, get the armor. Bro, I can heal you if you come back over here, my guy. You're missing it. It's out. The drone is out. Yeah, you missed it. Let's go through here and we can try to see if we can find any loot over here. You got a gun yet, Tig? I don't know if they push down the hill, they're still above us. I'm gonna pretend like they're still above us. I lasered 2 of them.
Already on my mark. Firing for effect. Heads up.
I had no shield cells. He can knock one of them.
Rings nearby. Reloading.
Tango killed.
Taking fire. Reloading. Reloading. 10 seconds. Oscar mark. Come on. Take a shot.
The other team.
You and me now.
I knocked one.
Enemy down.
Rings coming in.
Reloaded. Listen up, I'm getting shot at. Enemy.
Teammate, shooting! It's the end! It's the last guy, he miraged, to your left!
Reloading.
Get out of the storm! Yes! Good job, teammate!
Winner decided.
There you go. Shoo! He shot me once good in the back, bro. I didn't have no shield in the first place. It took my health halfway down when I...
You are the Apex champions.
No, I know. That's the team I'm talking about. I knocked the one guy, and the other guy got me.
I really think you should.